Hello, my name is Dr. Smadar Sheffi. I'm a curator, art historian, art critic. All my life actually revolves around contemporary art and some historical art as well. For 20 years I was the art critic for Haaretz newspaper. I left in 2012 to pursue my passion for curatorship. I'm the curator of the Bialik Museum in Tel Aviv, and in 2019 I founded the new Center for Contemporary Art in Ramla. I'd like to have everybody on my tours. I like people that are curious. I like people that are passionate about art. I like people that are actually passionate about every aspect of our life, cultural life, because art touches on all these things. I think that you could see Israeli art, and that's what you're coming to see here. Actually, you could do it on a very crash course kind of tour for 2.5 hours, let's say in galleries in Tel Aviv, or seeing first of all as a foundation of knowledge the exhibitions in some of our museums. But the thing is that Israeli art is so varied, so diversified, so interesting, that I've already spent sometimes 2 or 3 days with people touring Israeli art, and I think it gives them a totally different aspect in which to read the Israeli reality. I think that what's so engaging is in Israeli art that it's an exciting scene. It's very innovative. It's got to do a lot with our hectic life here, our political aspects, but also aspects that have to do with history, with Jewish history, and I'd say a lot to do with the fact that we are an immigrant society, which gives so many multicultural things here that I think it's really hard to understand when you're looking from afar at just how many things happen in this tiny country, in this nutshell. Saying what my favorite place to take people to, well, it changes so much. First of all, because exhibitions change all the time. Artists change their work in studios. Things just are all the time on the move. But if to be honest, I'm a staunch local patriot, so I just think that Tel Aviv is great. And if we're talking about Tel Aviv, then I'd say that I think it's a well-kept secret, but Israel, except for having a wonderful culinary scene, which I'm sure you've already heard about, it has a wonderful ice cream scene. And as I am a great ice cream fan, then I really like taking sometimes to some of the secret ice cream places when we go on tours. So I'll be really happy to see you and share with you some of the experiences of this wonderful place, the most interesting place that I could want to live in and see contemporary art.